Now what we're going to do is we're going to ask ChatGPT to generate test addresses in Germany using special characters. Note that I specifically said test addresses because if I don't, then it may think I am looking for real addresses. In this scenario, what we're doing is we're testing the address section of a sign-up form for an e-commerce site. All right, nice wide range of addresses, and the information I have here as well is the address format that we have in Germany. So you have the street name first, followed by the street number, and then we also now know the postal code format. Now let's try how things look in Sweden. But what we're going to do is we want to make sure that all the special characters are covered in our test data. So I am just going to be explicit there with that expectation. Alrighty, looks good. Okay, I'm happy. So there's O, there's E, and yeah, there's A. Cool. And then they also state in the answer that the addresses include special characters. I'm going to have a quick look at the German addresses to see if they covered all of the special characters, and they did. Now let's just start coming up with some test ideas. Now, what should I write? Can you give me 20 test case ideas for testing a the address section on a sign-up form for an e-commerce website in Sweden? I'm trying to be as specific as I can. So I don't want to just be like address form. And the reason I was specific, so for example, in Sweden, you got things like special characters. So let's say you are not based in Sweden, then you know that the Swedish characters are at least supported. Okay, this is a good starting point. Gives me some ideas. Special character handling, address format. So yeah, we also have street number and then street name and then number here in Sweden as our address format. Okay. Now I'm thinking some edge cases might be useful. So let's ask for some edge cases. So we go, can you give me 10 edge cases? And then I'm going to do the same as before. So same scenario, address section and a sign up form for an e-commerce website. A wee bit of copy paste. Alright, sweet. Minimum address length, maximum address length. Alright, so these are attempts to see what happens if we do the unexpected. Now, I'm going to try and take it, I'm going to say to the next level, and see if ChatGPT is familiar with the consistency heuristics. So I'm going to ask for some test case ideas using the consistency heuristics. And I'm going to try and specify which consistency heuristics. I'm going to do the ones, the few hiccups by Michael Bolton. Alright, familiar. No, I'll be honest, this isn't quite what I had in mind, but I guess it's something. It just decided to use an acronym, so I guess I could just try and make up any word and see what test ideas it comes up with. So that's pretty cool. But I'm gonna just try again with this prompt. I'm going to just first see if they're aware of the consistency heuristics, or the few hiccups one. I guess I should have asked this at the start. Alright, not aware of it. Okay. Had to ask. But I know there's this more widely known consistency heuristic, design ones, by Nielsen ones. So I thought, alright, what we can try to do is not specify which consistency heuristic and see what ChatGPT comes back with. Okay, this is actually pretty good. Some fantastic test ideas here. Alright, consistency and placeholder text. Yeah, you want consistent handling of special characters. Autofill suggestions. Yeah,